Chewiest chocolate chip cookies ever. These are my favorite cookies to make, so let's get started. And by the way, the recipe will be down below in the description. So let's get started. So first, mix white sugar and brown sugar in a bowl. Next, add some vanilla extract and mix it all together. Melt some butter over medium heat and then put it in a separate container to let it cool. Then add it to your egg, sugar, and vanilla extract mixture. Next, add all your dry ingredients to your mixture. And then add in as many chocolate chunks as you want. Then scoop your dough onto a parchment paper and put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Next, put it in the oven at 325 and you're done.